Hello again YouTube, this is AE92 Corolla Gti heater blower resistor part 2. Maybe the final, maybe just no more, I don't know. That's the new Joker. Just got little bits of stuff on it. And that's the part number, if that's of any interest to anybody. So basically all I've done is unplugged from this Joker down there, and well, I can get the other one in the other way around. Okay, and basically that's it, and there's the hole there. Now I actually stuck a vacuum cleaner in there because it was actually full of all bits of rust, so I've just had the Dyson in there, and I'm hoping that basically the replacement is just one screw like that. As you can tell, this is live on the job. Would have been nice to rehearse it, but I'm only going to do this once. Okay, there's your screw in. Anything to get it started will do. And then pinch it up with the Phillips. And that's the blower resistor changed after many years. Basically putting it all back together is just a reversal, offering up the cowl. There's your front speaker there for if you need to change the speaker, and just a case of offering this back up. Get a couple of screws in there to hold it in place, then do your bottom screws, then replace the kick panel there, and then pop these back in, the pegs one at either side, one at a time, and that's it. Pretty much, what, I don't know, 20 minutes. Anyway, as I said before guys, if this is absolutely of any use, if it's useless, well, sorry about that. I'm just an amateur, but there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.